Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Got another video for you today. Today we're going to cover a few things. As you see on the background, that's my x.com page. If you want to look me up there, it's at WillFix7, but you can find me there. Today I thought we would cover some XDC. Seen a big jump in price, like a 30% jump in price, and turns out that they have cut a deal with Archax. So we're going to talk about that. And I also want to briefly mention some of these platforms people are trying to exit, and there's been liquidity issues with several of the exchanges, which brings me to mention that one of the trickiest parts of crypto is finding a reliable way to cash out whenever the time's right, especially whenever there's a big rush on the market. Cashing out your XRP could run into a problem. Well, did you know you can use the link in the description, set up a free account with Caleb and Brown Broker. You don't need a big account, by the way. It's not for millionaires or giant accounts. It's just for the average man. But they have tremendous liquidity in how that they're able to sell the coin for you. And you can sell at limit prices instead of whatever the market's providing. You can say, hey, every time it gets to this level, sell, and you could sell it in chunks. You can set several limit orders, and you can call your guy on the phone. You can call the broker. But that's where Caleb and Brown really shines. They offer a seamless off-ramp to sell your crypto into fiat currencies, any of the fiat currencies actually, without any withdrawal limits or fees. They've got partnerships with top banks around the world, so you can withdraw at size without any issues, huge amounts if you want to. And as we expect, we're going to have giant returns on some of these coins. It's a game changer for anyone who's been burned on a withdrawal or not able to withdraw at a time when it's at peak. So I wanted to throw that out there because we've seen some exchange problems on people offloading some of their coin, even just at these levels. And we know that this is going to increase over time. So we're going to talk about this XDC here in just a minute. And there's a decent wallet promotion, so I want to tell you about that. Let me take a minute to tell you about this decent wallet promotion. Okay, so right now it's 44% off. But in addition to that, if you register, you could win the $50 airdrop of one of 5 coins. Let me show you how this is going to work. So let's say you purchase a wallet today. So you're going to get 44% off. It's $99 for one, or you're going to purchase 2 for $179. Benefit 2, $50 of a coin reward. So once you purchase, whether you buy 1 or 2, you go to register on January the 6th. Once you register, the first 1,000 are going to receive this airdrop. So once that's filled, you won't be able to register. So I would go UTC time, midnight on the 5th, and that's when I would register and get this $50 airdrop. What coin's it going to be? Well, it's one of 5. That's going to be revealed 24th of this month. It's either going to be CTC, BBB, FIG, ELOB, or XAH. Go ahead and use the link in the description. Take advantage of this promotion. Thank you. So we're going to look at this XDC. Why is it jumping today? Like right now, it's on the verge of 10 cents. It's like 9.09998 or something like that. But here's why it's had a big jump. Archax and XDC Network form a partnership to drive innovation and growth in real-world asset tokenization. So, Archax is UK's first FCA-regulated digital security exchange, broker, and custodian. Today announced a new partnership with XDC Network, an enterprise-grade Layer 1 EVM-compatible blockchain. Under the partnership, the two firms will combine the power of a regulated digital asset platform with the innovative blockchain solution to enable financial institutions to access tokenized real-world assets cost-effectively and efficiently, and in process broadening and adoption of digital assets, revolutionizing global financial markets. Okay, the article goes on to say the collaboration enables access to digital assets listed on Archax through XDC Network platform. So it's opening up the market too for XDC to have clients. Archax is the leading innovator in the industry and recently announced adding money market funds from several more blue chip asset managers to its platform. XDC is a network designed to power global payments and real world assets, focused on scalability, security, and interoperability. We're excited to partner with XDC Markets, a leader in the blockchain and tokenization space, and a firm that shares our vision to capture the next wave of tokenized economy, says Keith O'Callaghan, I think is how you say that, head of structuring at Archax. Innovation and evolution of digital assets has become our core since inception. The underlying blockchain, DLT technology, and tokenization are set to reshape traditional financial markets by creating an entirely new set of financial and trading instruments. As a regulated player, we're perfectly positioned to deliver institutional-grade products, services, and infrastructure that bridge TradeFi into the digital world. Momentum building for tokenization of real-world assets. I got a couple notes I want to throw in here. I have to agree with that. I believe that's why XRP is happy to promote, or be okay with Ethereum. You won't see them having any bad words to say. Why? Because Ethereum has a ton of smart contracts, and XRP has EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. And also, XDC will utilize the same technology. So according to a report by Standard Chartered, the market for tokenized real-world assets is projected to reach $30 trillion by 2024. Demand is growing for solutions like tokenized money market funds, enabling fintechs and firms in the crypto space to access yield-bearing instruments in digital form that can also be used to transfer value while maintaining flexibility. XDC Network's latest upgrade now supports 2,000 transactions per second. The XDC network was built with trade finance in mind, said Agnes O'Callaghan, head of markets at XDC Network. With our platform's robust performance and functionality, we have the ideal protocol for real-world asset tokenization for institutions. Within the digital asset space, these institutions desire to work with regulated entities who can aim to ensure the transactions are both transparent and efficient, said O'Callaghan. Partnering with Archax, an industry-trusted name, brings our shared vision to life. Our focus has always been to deliver top solutions to our customers, continued O'Callaghan. With XDC Network, we're unlocking access to diverse range and potential partners and issuers for the customers. Archax has consistently been recognized as a leader in the digital asset space. In October, the firm received Ripple's Innovation Award for its efforts to transform capital markets, infrastructure, and drive adoption in digital asset space. So the article goes on to talk about more about Archax and more about XDC. I'm just going to read the XDC part. XDC Network is a blockchain specifically developed to support trade finance and real-world asset tokenization. A highly optimized EVM-compatible Layer 1 XDC network reaches consensus through a delegated proof-of-stake mechanism, which allows for a transaction time of mere seconds, near zero gas fees, and a high number of transactions per second, secure, scalable, and highly efficient. The XDC network powers a wide range of novel blockchain use cases and provides state-of-the-art infrastructure for enterprise-grade blockchain applications. For more information, they got the links there. I want to say about XDC, it's kind of been, the whole DeFi stuff has been further back on the shelf than some of the things way up front, like tokenization of real-world assets. a lot of things up front, like smart contracts, were real big there for a minute, and they're still big. But what I mean is they came out as the big thing. And so then everything that's showing innovation towards smart contracts and people using smart contracts became a big deal and is still a big deal. Well, as we get deeper into things, I believe DeFi is going to get bigger and bigger. Why? Because I believe the broker is going to eventually replace the banker. The DeFi world, decentralized finance, is going to be how people we can do everything. We can get loans. We can have credit cards that are crypto backed. We can secure our loans with collateral. We can borrow against our crypto. I mean, we can do all types of banking, which is why I believe there was such a war on banking by mostly the Democrats and Elizabeth Warren, and then a whole lot. Did you know that there was, I think, over 30 congressmen that were debanked because of the effort, because they came out about blockchain technology and crypto, and they were positive for it. Did you know that they got debanked, that other congressmen got together and asked the banks to debank them? They literally had their bank accounts shut down. This is the war that's been going on. So I say that to say, I think XDC is one of those that it is still priced way low. This is something that I would say, if I wasn't already in it, I would say, man, this is something to get into. This is something for me to buy, because it's going to get more and more in the spotlight, and it's going to be more and more accessed and used as time goes on. It's going to become the next big thing, I believe, which all of these things are big. When I talk about the next big thing, what I mean is when it comes out, gets recognized, then a lot of people want to participate with it. Well, the whole time, XDC has had this as a focus, has had DeFi finance as a focus, and now they're coming into light, and it's time's going to tell. I think we got high prices coming from XDC. So if you have some, I know you're happy. If you don't have any, it's still probably at a great price, in my opinion. So get you some. Some have expressed an interest in my portfolio, so now you'll see all the coins that I'm invested in right here. So here we go. Look at the percentages on the far right. This is my portfolio. There's a couple of these that I don't have, but I have them on here that I track them, and I'll put like I have one coin. And the only example of that really is Bitcoin. I don't own any Bitcoin. So all the rest of these, I do own some. And I've sold my crypto trading, my CTF. So I don't have that one either. So those are the only two. The rest of these, I am holding a bag in all of these. And really, my largest bag is XRP. But look here, in XRP, I'm up 500. People wanting to know, what coin I own. So that's why I'll just be transparent with you. These are the coin I own. I'm up 560% in XRP. 525% I'm up in Stellar. Hedera, I'm up 261%. In Jasmine, I'm up 868%. In Quant, I'm up 93%. In XDC, I'm up 65%. Dogecoin, I'm up 249%. Chainlink, I'm up 101%. Stronghold, I'm up 83%. I'm up 86% in SwiftCoin. In Axlar, I'm up 43%. Internet Computer, ICP, is I'm up 33%. Brett, a meme coin, I'm up 12.79%. Bonk, another meme, I'm up 74%. Peppy, I'm up 5%. I've just recently bought some Peppy. Caspa, I'm up 47%. I have several Caspa miners. Shiba Inu, I'm up 5%. I don't own Bitcoin. I don't own crypto trading fund. I do have Crow with a Knife. I'm down 8.64. I do have Nexera. I'm down 30.54%. And I do own My Lady meme coin, and I'm down 61%. 1% in that coin. That's all of the coin that I own right there. That's the video for today. I appreciate you watching. And of course, none of this is investment advice, just showing you what I do, what I think. You know, it's an opinion show. And I try to do some research and have at least an opinion that contains real world facts. All right, you guys have a great day. I'll see you next video.